Due to the nature of mixed concrete, concrete mixer trucks are restricted to delivering to construction sites within a certain distance from the concrete plant, resulting in mostly short-distance, low-speed driving. Furthermore, to prevent the mixed concrete from hardening while waiting at the construction site, the drum must continuously rotate. This means the engine cannot be turned off, and this waiting time accounts for more than 45% of the total operating time. Engine idling during this waiting wastes about 19% of total fuel consumption, leading to economic losses, while the exhaust emissions and noise generated around the worksite have become significant issues. To solve these problems, ROC Auto System has developed the ePTO system, which electrifies mixer trucks by reuse hybrid vehicle drive motor and batteries. To achieve this, we first developed a generation unit and a power unit for the mixer truck's ePTO. The generation unit reuses the HSG of a hybrid vehicle to convert the engine PTO power into electrical energy. Next, the power unit consists of a hybrid vehicle drive motor and a reduction gearbox. The reduction gearbox is directly connected to the mixer's hydraulic pump, serving to transmit the drive motor's power to the hydraulic motor. Additionally, the system features a battery package with a reused lithium-ion battery and BMS from hybrid vehicles. It also includes a power control package comprising an ePTO control unit, MCU, GCU, and a cooling system. By installing the previously described generation and power units between the existing engine PTO and the mixer pump, this mixer truck ePTO system allows to continuously rotate the drum without running the engine while waiting at the construction site, thanks to the newly equipped ePTO electric power system. Just like a standard hybrid vehicle, this electrified mixer truck charges its battery while driving using both engine power and regenerative braking power, depending on the battery's SOC status. Electrification through ROC Auto Systems ePTO system saves over 1,800 liters of fuel annually. It cuts approximately 4.7 tons of CO2 emissions, equal to 1.6 times a standard mid-sized gasoline vehicle's yearly emissions.